Hey guys, it's Kunal, commercial product photographer. And in this series, I'm answering to all your questions that you guys asked me on my Instagram and YouTube. So today, let's talk about should you compromise on quality of work if you're not getting paid enough from the client? Now, there could be two possibilities here. The first is that if you feel that the client's budget is not worth your time, then simply say no to these projects, right? And the second possibility, of course, is that we all need to pay our bills and we do need the money. So, in case you still want to go ahead with this project, then firstly, you should educate the client and make them understand the kind of efforts involved in creating these highly detailed product images. And then maybe you can negotiate with them on deliverables. So, for instance, let's say that the client wants 20 highly detailed images and the budget is this much. So you can tell them that, instead of creating 20 images, we can reduce the number of deliverables to maybe 2 or 3 high-end photos to match it up to your budget. Or if the client says that no, we don't want to reduce the number of deliverables, we do need all 20 images, then in that case, you can always simplify the concepts. Okay, you try and educate the client and tell them that if we simplify the concepts, maybe we can create all these images in a shorter amount of time. So all you're trying to do here is to reduce the time that you're going to spend on the project, which in turn will reduce your creative fee. Okay. But having said that, make sure that everything is crystal clear prior to taking up the project. ओके ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने शूट कर लिया और फिर क्लाइंट बोले कि ये तो क्वालिटी सही नहीं है या दिस इज नॉट व्हाट वी वर लुकिंग फॉर. सो मेक श्योर नन ऑफ दिस हैपन्स एंड यू हैव द utmost clarity prior to the shoot, because I do feel that in the end all these images have your name on it. So this is how you build your reputation over time. So in short, I'll say that do not compromise on quality, but make an arrangement to spend less amount of time on these projects. Right, so there you have it, guys. And if you find these videos to be helpful, then do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye.